Hello, welcome to week 6. This is a turning point in the course. This is the week then that we stop our discussion of Dave Eggers' argument about social media, and the week in which we begin in earnest your own argument about social media. We're following the same schedule that we've always followed, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. The last forum postings will be on Wednesday and Friday, as usual. And then on Sunday, I'm asking for your works cited draft. This is the week that I'm hoping you'll do the bulk of your research. You've already come up with a topic. You've already decided what you think your thesis might be. It might change. You've already looked around to see if there are any sources that you can use. You've gotten feedback from me and hopefully from a few of your classmates. You have looked last week to see what other people are doing. Hopefully you gained inspiration from them. And now it's time to delve into the research. At the end of this week, you will have a draft of your works cited page. It won't be the finished copy up until the time you turn in your paper in a couple of weeks. You will be adding and subtracting. But this way, I will know that you have found substantial, credible sources, and I'll have a chance to look at it to see if I can add something to it, if I have any comments to make on it. And also, importantly, you'll get the format down. Formatting citations is difficult. It's time consuming. We'll do it this week. You don't have to worry about it later. All right, so this week I have given you lots and lots and lots of resources here. I've pointed you to our library at Lane, given you a PowerPoint on research, how to evaluate internet sources, and how to use databases. I've given you lots of resources on how to cite your sources, and then I have given you a book where I have told you how to cite things, electronic sources. Many of your sources will be electronic. And then what does a completed works cited page look like? I really care about format because people in future classes that you will take will care. Details are important. I'm sorry, but they are. I'd like you to look for credible sources. They don't all have to be peer reviewed at all, but they need to be worthwhile. They need to be worthwhile. I'll be looking at that. If you need any help, get in touch. I would be glad to help.